Hi guys, welcome to Auguilicious. So today I'll be talking about the misconception of live stream. The fact that you double your watch hour 2 times faster, 10 times faster. Don't get me wrong, it's true, but there's a misconception. I carried out my research and there is something I found out about live stream, silent live stream, and having a very long live stream for 10 hours or thereabout. I carried out my own review. I'll be sharing with you guys in this video. Stay tuned. If you can check on the screen, see this video coming up. You can check it. I carried out a silent live stream. That was 2 weeks ago for 4 hours, 40 minutes, and 12 seconds. See what I got. Zero watch time hours. That was a silent live stream. And I did an experiment recently. I came on live. I was talking about Vlogmas, and I carried out that live section for just 7 minutes, 37 seconds. See what I got. 0.1 watch hours. What I'm saying, I know this is very little showing here, but what I'm saying is don't think you coming live will just give you watch hour. What gives you watch hour is engagement. If you're making a video, if you're coming live, you have to have engagement. You have to show yourself. Even if you're not showing yourself, people who are commenting on your video, commenting on your live stream. Don't just think you will come live and accumulate watch hours. Even if you try accumulating watch hours, like some of my videos I'll be showing you guys here. There's one I made for about an hour plus. The watch hour I got was 0.4 watch hour. For me, what I notice, if you want to grow your watch time, you have to engage with your community. You have to have that engagement, very importantly. That's why YouTube has come up with their new feature of encouraging community, encouraging people to communicate with each other through the community post. So YouTube have come up with their new feature to encourage more communication, more commitment, more engagement, and not just views. There is something I want to also address: live stream, restream, whatever. There's someone I came across, a YouTuber. The YouTuber was recently monetized, but I was happy. I was like, oh my god, let me check what's happening. I checked the video of this YouTuber. The YouTuber is not even having up to 100 views. Let me say the most views were around 200 to 500. But when I looked at the live stream, the live section, the YouTuber was having over 200,000 views. Having Because the YouTuber streamed for 10 hours, 8 hours, long hours, and used what they call it, is he the YouTuber looped their video. So I'm just like, okay, now you've gotten monetized, now you've gotten the 4,000 watch hours, the over 1,000 subscribers, and all that. There are no engagements on your videos. I mean, you want to make a video, you want to talk about stuff, no one is engaging. Do you want to continue restreaming for the rest of your videos, or how do you intend to go about that? There's so much misconception on this YouTube space. I just came out to address this issue. I hope I've brought out something of value to you guys. And let me know in the comment section, if you're not following Auguilicious, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Engage, communicate, hit the like button, subscribe, and see you in my next video. Don't forget to go on my playlist, watch my videos for YouTube growth, success, content creators, inspiration. Very importantly, watch out for my live stream. and happy Vlogmas. Bye.